capital A vertex 2 comma 5 focus S 2 comma 2. Find the equation of the parabola. Given A and S, observe the points. X coordinates are equal. X coordinates are equal. So this HK is given. Vertex HK is given. So equation of this parabola is x minus h whole square y minus k whole 4a into y minus k. Given h value and k value, we want a value. For this parabola, focus S formula h. This is a k plus a. K plus a. So k plus a value 2. K value is 5. 5 plus a equal to 2. A value is minus 3. Again, x coordinates are equal. So axis line parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. So formula is this one. Given h value and k value. So we want a. H. This is k plus a. K plus a value 2. K value 5. Substitute the values. X minus h value 2 whole square 4 into minus 3 minus 12 into x minus k value 5. K value 5. 0, 0. Axis is along x-axis. Axis is along x-axis. Axis is along x-axis. Axis line is parallel to y-axis. In this problem, axis line along x-axis and vertex is given 0, 0. So parabola equation is y square equal to 4ax, but we don't know the value of a. For this one, given the parabola passing through the point minus 2, 4. So substitute this point in the parabola equation. Let it be P. P on 1. So y square value 4 square 4 into a into x value minus 2 16 by minus 8 equal to a. So a value is minus 2. So required parabola y square equal to 4 into minus 2 into x. Y square equal to minus 8x. Minus 8x. Next problem, third bit. Vertex is 1, minus 2. First listen. Vertex is 1, minus 2. And slope of the axis is undefined. slope of the axis, remember that point, slope of the axis undefined. Listen, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Slope of the x-axis is 0, slope of the y-axis is infinity. So any line parallel to y-axis, their slopes are equal to infinity. So indirectly given, slope of the axis is infinity means axis line is parallel to y-axis. So diagram is like this one. Slope of the axis is undefined. So formula is x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. We want the a value. For this one, given the hint is latus rectum is 4. Latus rectum is 4. That is any type of the parabola, whatever it may be. Length of the latus rectum is always modulus of 4a. Length of the latus rectum 4a equal to 4. Equal to 4. When we remove the modulus value, we get plus or minus 4. Given vertex h comma k 1 comma minus 2. Slope of the axis line is undefined edited. Undefined means that axis line is parallel to y-axis. So parabola equation is this one. H value 1, k value minus 2. Length of the latus rectum is given 4. So 4a equal to plus or minus 4. So answer x minus 1 whole square, 4a value plus or minus 4, y minus k value minus 2, minus or minus plus 2. Next, fourth bit. Focus S 0, 4 and directrix y plus 4 equal to 0. When equation of the, we want equation of the parabola when S and L are given. S and L are given. We apply the formula SP by PM equal to E. So let P x comma y SP by PM equal to E. In parabola E value 1. So SP equal to PM. Distance between S and P under root x minus 0 whole square y minus 4 whole square. What is PM? Perpendicular distance from P to the directrix modulus of y plus 4 by under root a square value 0, b square value 1. Squaring on both sides, root to square cancel. X square a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a plus b whole square, y square plus 16 plus 8y. Y square cancel. 16 cancel. X square equal to 16y. 8y plus 8y. 8y plus 8y. 16y. Otherwise, listen. Yes. 0 comma a. Equation of the directrix y equal to minus a. Suppose you know the formulas, directly apply x square equal to 4ay. X square equal 4 into a value 4 into y. X square equals 16y. This is the alternative method. Given S 0 comma a, directrix y equal to minus a. So formula is x square equal 4ay. Otherwise, by the concept way, SP by PM equal to E. Next. Vertex minus 1 comma 2. Focus 3 comma 2. In the first bit, a value 2 comma 5, s value 2 comma 2. This is the first bit. This is the fifth bit. Observe these two bits. In the first bit, x coordinates are equal. In this one, y coordinates are equal. When y coordinates are equal, axis line is parallel to x-axis. So, formula is a y minus k whole square 4a into x minus h. Already given h value minus 1, k value 2. So we want only a value. So take the formulas h, k, k, h plus a. H plus a value 3. Substitute h value minus 1 plus a equal to 3. A value 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Substitute these three values. Y minus k whole square 4 into 4 x minus h value minus 1 minus or minus plus 1. So y minus 2 whole square 16 into x plus 1. Next, bit number 6. Sixth bit, equation of the parabola vertex is a minus 1 comma minus 2. So given h comma k and listen, whose axis is vertical, whose axis is vertical, whose axis is vertical. So we want this equation x minus h 4a into y minus k. Already given h value minus 1, k value minus 2. We want a value. For that given the parabola passing through the point 3 comma 6. So substitute this value in the parabola equation, we get a value. Write down, take this diagram also, take the diagram. A value minus 1 comma minus 2, h comma k. Next, given axis line is vertical, therefore equation of the parabola is x minus h whole square equal to 4a into y minus k, x plus 1 whole square 4a into y plus 2. Next, given P lies on 1, P lies on 1, P point 3 comma 6. So 3 plus 1 whole square 4a into y value 6 plus 2 16 equal to 32a. So a value 16 by 32, 1 by 2. Therefore from 1 required parabola x plus 1 whole square equal to 4 into 1 by 2 into y plus 2. 2 times cancel. So final answer is x plus 1 whole square equal 2 into y plus 2. Y plus 2. Next, parabola whose vertex is 3 comma minus 2, axis line parallel to x-axis, and length of the lattice rectum is 4. That is the given data. Vertex is 3 comma minus 2. Length of the lattice rectum is 4a. Axis line is parallel to x-axis. A 3 comma minus 2. H comma k. Length of the lattice rectum in all 4 chapters. Length of the lattice rectum symbol is L dash. Modulus of 4a equal to 4. 4a equal to plus or minus 4. Therefore, parabola equation is parabola parabola equation is substitute the values y minus 2 whole square 4a value plus or minus 4 x minus 3 x minus 3 is y square plus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Find the vertex of the parabola. Find the vertex of the parabola. There are two methods. Number one, first method. Write this equation in the form of y minus k whole square equal 4a into x minus h, right? Y square minus 2y equal to minus 4x minus 3. A square minus 2ab add b square on both sides minus 4x minus 3 plus 1 whole square y minus 1 whole square equal to minus 4 into minus 4x minus 2. Take minus 4 common, x plus 1 by 2. So y minus k whole square 4a into x minus h. So k value 1 minus h value 1 by 2, h value minus 1 by 2. So vertex hk equal to minus 1 by 2 comma 1. Express the given equation in the form of y minus k whole square. Listen second method. Calculate dou f by dou y. Calculate dou f by dou y. Partial derivative with respect to y. Y square derivative 2y plus 0 minus 2 plus 0 equal to 0. 2y equal to 2. Y value 1. Y value 1. H value 1. K value 1. Next. How to find x coordinate? This point, vertex point, lies on the parabola. So substitute this value in the given equation. So this is equation number 1. Put y equal to 1 in the first equation. 1 plus 4x minus 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus 2 equal to 0. 4x equal to minus 2, x value minus 1 by 2, x value minus 1 by 2. So answer is a minus 1 by 2 comma 1. For example, given x square parabola, then calculate dou f by dou x. Calculate dou f by dou x equal 0. Next, another point. When we calculate dou f by dou y equal to 0, we get y equal to 1. This is the equation of the axis line. That is the equation of the axis line. Write that point also. Equation of the axis line is y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Plus bx plus c equal to 0. Listen carefully. This is the quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus c minus y. Find the vertex of the parabola. Similarly, previous bit. First calculate. This is x square parabola. Dou f by dou x. So dou f by dou x equal to 0. 2ax plus b equal to 0. 2ax equal to minus b. X value minus b by 2a. Substitute x value in the equation number 1. We get y value is 4ac minus b square by 4a. Listen, this is the formula in the quadratic equations. Maximum value or minimum value, quadratic equations chapter, A paper. Maximum value or minimum value is 4ac minus b square by 4a at x equal to minus b by 2a. That is the one formula in 2a paper. So x value minus b by 2a, y value 4ac minus b square by 4a. This is the vertex. Otherwise, substitute x value in the equation number 1, then we get y value is this one, 4ac minus b square by 4a. Quadratic equations formula. Next, minus 4y minus 8x minus 4 equal to 0. Find the focus. We want to focus. Write this equation in the form of a y minus k whole square. Write this one like this one, y minus k whole square. Right? Y square minus 4y equal to 8x plus 4. Add b square theorem on both sides. A square minus 2ab plus b square equal to 8x plus 4 plus b square. Add b square theorem on both sides. This is a minus b whole square equal to, take 8 common, 2 square value 4, 4 plus 4 8, take 8 common, x plus 1. Write this formula, y minus k whole square, y minus k whole square, 4a into x minus h. So k value 2, sorry, k value 2, 4a value 8, a value 8 by 4, minus h value 1, h value minus 1. Listen carefully. We want to focus of this parabola. We want this answer. Yes. Listen carefully. This is a vertex 0, 0, focus a comma 0, stand for. We want this answer. This vertex is h comma k. For x value, add x term. For y value, add k term. A plus h, 0 plus k. This is the focus of this parabola. This is the standard form. Standard form. We want this focus. So a plus h, 0 plus k. So focus is a plus h, comma k. A value 2, h value minus 1, k value 2. So answer is 1 comma 2. Answer is 1 comma 2. Next, y square plus 3y plus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Another bit, ax square plus bx plus c. In this bit, equation of the axis. In this bit, equation of the symmetric line. Symmetric line. This diagram symmetric to this line. symmetric to this line. This line is called axis line. So symmetric line means indirectly axis line. Axis line. This is a bit number 11, bit number 12. 11, 12. So this is a y square parabola. This is x square parabola. So equation of the axis y square parabola, dou f by dou y equal to 0. X square parabola, dou f by dou x equal to 0. So dou f by dou y equal to 0. 2y plus 3 equal to 0. Dou f by dou x equal to 0. 2ax plus b equal to 0.